And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 196. Let me show the Fresco filter. I use Ctrl-J to copy the original, go to Filter, Filter Gallery. You can find it under Artistic, it's the 5th option, or use the drop down where it's alphabetically sorted. Let me zoom out a little, hold Alt and use the mouse wheel. We have 3 adjustment options. The brush size is for the size of the effect that's applied. So larger brushes create more generalized, less detailed looks, and smaller brush sizes reveal more details. You also have a specific brush detail adjustment, and that is for the level of detail within the brush strokes. So higher values here create sharper brushes, lower settings create softer ones, and the text basically simulates a wet plaster. So higher settings will create a more rough and uneven look, lower settings will make it smoother. When you've got what you want, confirm we're OK. Just one more thing to add, you can see dark spots, they get very dark with this filter. You can't really get around it, so that's more of an effect for bright images. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.